have a special need kid. He's one of my 4 cases that is in my heart. He loves Tiger. I have it here in my desk as a reminder for him is why I do what I do. Well, my name is Ana Alonso. I'm the director and founder for Padres Unidos de Kern. I don't start this by myself. We was a group for 30 parents that we say enough is enough. We need more services. We start in the living room, and now we are proud to say we have a place called We Can Call Office, a center for our parents. I've survived 40 strokes, and I don't move that well, and I have a tumor in my head. In-home support services give me the way for I can take care of my mother, take care of my roots. Our biggest thing is overcome the disparity is existing in services and be the bridge for those services is already existing, because we can do this alone. We have a lot of community agencies, Heart Connections, Exceptional Families. They help us, EPU, to connect with the gapping of the services that is missing, because they are giving the extra hand that we need. Parents are open their heart to say difficult topics. They need help, domestic violence, sexual assault, a homeless situation, sickness, illness. A little kid died, and we have to pay for burying services for this family. We wasn't prepared for this. We hoping to see our kids. Then we go first before our kids, but unfortunately, these kids left before us. We're 500 families, and we are not able to go every single month to all these 500 families because we grow so fast that unfortunately I don't have the economic funds. Our truth is this year we live or we die. And I hope we survive. As long as my health allow me to be 100% traveling to Washington, to wherever I need to go, even if I need to go to the moon, I'm going to travel to the moon to defend the rights for people they need it.
And I'm going to tell you right now, there's a lot that's not right.
Yeah.
The fact that the federal government is cutting health care for folks at a time when people need it the most, it's not right. The fact that the governor's budget proposal balances the budget off of folks with disabilities, that is not right. We need in-home supportive services.
If you think about it, civil rights for people with disabilities require folks to be supported. And if you cut the budget, you take away supports that people need to live. And it's hard to enjoy your civil rights when you can't get help getting out of bed or using the toilet or getting dressed.
Today is a really beautiful day. The weather is perfect. And it's a marvelous day to elevate the voice. We have to say where we are proud. And we're proud to be in a disabled community where we come together to defend our rights.
We have the power. Yes. We have the power. Please let them know to everybody. We have the power. We want services. Our lives matters.
Nothing about us without us is the real thing. Every single person in the disabled community is unique. They can cut services with parameters, We are unique. We need services. My kids means my life. Without them, I'm nobody. Jorge, he have 29 surgeries in his life. Sometimes was a period of time of 1 year in the hospital. But medical-wise, he get everything, surgeries, equipment, therapy, medications, and they're really expensive. And if it wasn't for Medi-Cal, he don't go be alive. I want that he live. I don't want that he survive. I want that he live.
Decir qué significa para mí, pues, creo que
To say what it means for me? Well, that's a funny question, because being her mother, I have seen her as my little greatness since she was little. I thank God that He gave her the beautiful heart that she has to be able to help others and people who need her. I am proud of her.
This is the team that work for us. Without them, we are nobody.
Y'all have a big group chat?
Yes, we do. I don't want my disability define who I am. I don't want that. I'm more than my disability. I'm not a diagnostic. I'm not autistic. I am Ana Isabel Alonso. I'm a person. I want to see the history, my personal story, and what I'm capable to do. My grandma is the pillar for who I am. When I suffer a lot of bullying, she helped me to understand that sometimes people, they're scared for what is different. Sometimes they're scared for what is big because they don't know how to handle. The first thing she told me is that I don't have to be fragile like a flower. I have to be fragile like a bomb because I have that dynamite to make a change. Here I am, making noise.